These are some astronomical events in 2020 could provide the perfect opportunity to travel to a dark sky reserve such as central Idaho or the Mackenzie Basin of New Zealand to take in the natural splendor of the Milky Way. January 3rd 4. Quadrantid's meteor shower. The Quadrantids is an above-average shower, with up to 40 meteors per hour at its peak. It is thought to be produced by dust grains left behind by an extinct comet known as 2003 EH1, which was discovered in 2003. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation Bootes, but can appear anywhere in the sky. March 20th. March Equinox. The March equinox occurs at 3:50 Coordinated Universal Time. The sun will shine directly on the equator and there will be nearly equal amounts of day and night throughout the world. April 22, 23. Lyrids meteor shower. The Lyrids is an average shower, usually producing about 20 meteors per hour at its peak. It is produced by dust particles left behind by comet C 1861 G1 Thatcher, which was discovered in 1861. The shower runs annually from April 16 to 25. It peaks this year on the night of the 22nd and morning of the 23rd. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation Lyra, but can appear anywhere in the sky. June 22nd. June solstice. The June solstice occurs at 21:44 Coordinated Universal Time. The north pole of the Earth will be tilted toward the Sun, which will have reached its northernmost position in the sky, and will be directly over the Tropic of Cancer, at 23.44 degrees north latitude. This is the first day of summer in the northern hemisphere, and the first day of winter in the southern hemisphere. July 14th. Jupiter at opposition. The giant planet will be at its closest approach to Earth, and its face will be fully illuminated by the Sun. This is the best time to view and photograph Jupiter and its moons. A medium-sized telescope should be able to show you some of the details in Jupiter's cloud bands. A good pair of binoculars should allow you to see Jupiter's 4 largest moons, appearing as bright dots on either side of the planet. July 20th. Saturn at opposition. The ring planet will be at its closest approach to Earth, and its face will be fully illuminated by the Sun. This is the best time to view and photograph Saturn and its moons. A medium-sized or larger telescope will allow you to see Saturn's rings and a few of its brightest moons. September 11th. Neptune at opposition. The blue giant planet will be at its closest approach to Earth, and its face will be fully illuminated by the Sun. This is the best time to view and photograph Neptune. Due to its extreme distance from Earth, it will only appear as a tiny blue dot in all but the most powerful telescopes. September 22nd. September equinox. The September equinox occurs at 13:31 Coordinated Universal Time. The sun will shine directly on the equator, and there will be nearly equal amounts of day and night throughout the world. This is also the first day of fall in the northern hemisphere, and the first day of spring in the southern hemisphere. October 13th. Mars at opposition. The red planet will be at its closest approach to Earth, and its face will be fully illuminated by the sun. This is the best time to view and photograph Mars. A medium-sized telescope will allow you to see some of the dark details on the planet's orange surface. October 31st. Full moon, blue moon. The moon will be located on the opposite side of the Earth as the sun, and its face will be fully illuminated. This phase occurs at 14:51 Coordinated Universal Time. Since this is the second full moon in the same month, it is sometimes referred to as a blue moon. This rare calendar event only occurs every few months, giving rise to the term once in a blue moon. October 31st. Uranus at opposition. The blue-green planet will be at its closest approach to Earth, and its face will be fully illuminated by the sun. This is the best time to view Uranus. Due to its distance, it will only appear as a tiny blue-green dot in all but the most powerful telescopes. December 21st. Rare conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. A conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn will take place on December 21st. This rare conjunction of these two planets is known as the Great Conjunction. The last Great Conjunction occurred in the year 2000. The two bright planets will appear only 7 arc-minutes of each other in the night sky. They will be so close that they will appear to make a bright double planet. Look to the west just after sunset for this impressive and rare planetary pair.